Good morning, people. So we have a big problem. Just received this windshield. It's a one-piece windshield. And guess what? It is upside down. So we got to move it and flip it around. That's going to be a task. Hi there again. George here from Moon's Auto Glass. We are going to be doing a windshield replacement on a Country Coach RV. They're going to bring it in right now. For the first time, we are going to install this windshield in here in this big area. We are the Pima County Fairgrounds. They just had a FMCA rally a few days ago. This is it'll be working great for us. Here's where they do all their animal auctions, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, we decided to come in here. We asked for permission. They gave us permission because it's windy out there. So hopefully we enjoy working under this big roof and keep the wind out of our work area. So we're trying to level it up. We normally need it 15 inches off the ground. That way our machine can go underneath the coach. So that is it. We are dealing with that. So it's going to be major cleanup. I'm hoping not having to remove the mirrors, but we'll see. We'll see what I end up doing. Yep. Today I'm going to talk about not mixing primers and adhesives for windshields on anything that has that's got to do with automotive, either RVs, cars, razors. I mean everything that moves. Why? Because mixing chemicals is not a good thing. Ever since I was trained to do auto glass, I was told not to mix chemicals with primers and adhesives. Now the worst fear about a RVer or a auto owner is if the windshield is going to leak. Now, if you can follow me down here, we focus on the height of the glue that we're going to be using. So let's focus on this area. So this is the edge. The edge here, we need to have the glue sticking to the plumb to the body, the outside of the body. So if we shoot the glue lower than the height of the body, we're going to have a leaking problem. So applying a bead of glue high enough to make that glass touch, and then backfill it, bone it, like we say on a auto glass industry. We make sure that the windshield is sealed and secured. So that's it, folks. If you want to know more about that, follow us on our channel.